Hello, and welcome to Tech Talk, a new series of short videos that will take you behind the scenes to learn more about your BMW of Akron Service Department. My name is Jason Zweifel, and I'm the shop foreman here at BMW of Akron. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the similarities and the differences between an ASE Automotive Master Technician and a BMW Master Technician. So let's jump into it. So what is ASE anyway? The acronym ASE, or Automotive Service Excellence Organization, started in 1972 to help ensure that there were standards in the automotive industry. Basically, they make sure that the people that are working on your car know what they're doing. Testing for the ASE Automotive Master Technician involves a series of 8 tests ranging between 60 and 90 minutes in length, each with retesting required every 5 years to maintain these certifications. Now let's take a look at a BMW Master Technician. They are also required to achieve and maintain the ASE Automotive Master Technician, along with over 550 hours of BMW-specific instructor-led, applied laboratory, and hands-on assessment coursework, not to mention countless hours of continuous online training. So when it's time to service your BMW, enjoy the peace of mind that comes from scheduling with BMW of Akron. All of our repairs come backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage parts warranty, and all repairs are performed by BMW factory-trained technicians to ensure that your vehicle is fixed right the first time, on time, every time.